you can't find this in the store. Not this, baby. This right here. This is customized. You better get like me.
Hi YouTube, this is Betty and welcome back to another video. I am still working on my Beetlejuice embellishment book, and I decided to do a mini series on some Beetlejuice embellishments to fill or to put in my Beetlejuice embellishment book. So if you have been following the series, I hope you have been enjoying it. I've been doing giveaways along the way because I want to share with my subscribers of things that I create. So if you want me to continue in the series, I'm having a blast. But I want to make sure I'm putting out content that you guys actually enjoy. So if you want me to continue with this series, please comment below. I'm enjoying the series. Please continue. And I will do so because like I said, I'm having so much fun. Also, if you want to enter into my giveaway to, for a chance to win some of my embellishments, all you have to do is just put in the comment, I love Beetlejuice, and I will enter your name into a drawing. Gina Loves to Craft was the first winner of some embellishments that I created. Also, to be eligible, you must be 18 years of age or older. This is US only. I'm sorry, you guys, I can't do international. You have to be a subscriber. Yeah, duh. You have to be one of my subscribers. Like the video, do all that good stuff. So if you are new to my channel, check out the playlist for the series. I will leave it below. So you can get caught up. I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as hitting the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. I'm also on Instagram at ScrapPassion01, so you may want to follow me over there as well. Don't forget, before I share, like the video, you guys, to help support me and support my channel, okay, you guys? Stamp set by the Stamp Market, the Boo Mix. This was part of the new release that recently just came out. And then, of course, you guys, I have to pick up the dies to go with it. I have a scan and cut machine, and I'm like, why am I doing the dies? I'm sorry. It's just quick, easy, and I love it. So pulled out this die set by My Creative Time, and this is the medium bat bow die. And so I use the medium size, the small, as well as the fun size, the small and fun size dies. So you can see there I created some bows. I put together some sequence mix. Let me share with you first the sequence mix. This is the sequence mix I put together. You can see it also in the beginning of the video. I thought that was fun. Of the sequence mix that I put together, you can see it has some eyeballs, the infamous green. I put some little polka dot there, sequence in there, the black, of course, and some purple. And this was really fun to put together. And I wanted a fun way to package my sequence mix. So I was actually inspired by Buzzing with V. She did a Beetlejuice swap about a year ago. I wanted a fun way to package up my sequence. And Buzzing with V shared like some, like a plastic, finger, like a finger. And I thought it was so cute in like a sequence vial. And so it's been a while because I had it on my brain. And I was in Dollar Tree one day and they had some. They had the ones that she shared about, like I said, about a year ago. I picked those up. But they also had these. And so I picked this up. And of course, I had to change it up, right? You guys know I love to make things my own. Because I wanted something a little bit more greener. And then, of course, I didn't want the fingernail red. I wanted it to coordinate with everything else I've been creating. So this is what I came up with. You can see here, I just spray painted this green. I had some purple fingernail polish, and I just polished it, gave it a few coats of fingernail polish, and voila, see the difference here? And so I like the look of this a lot better. It matches my other embellishments, and you can see here the cute sequins inside. I wanted to take it up a notch, you know, and package it real cute. I didn't want to just send it like this. So let me share with you what my packaging looks like. Look how cute my packaging is. So you can see that Boo Mix stamp and die set that I used here. I wanted that green. And then I used a purple ribbon, this black and white stripe twine here. And I just tied it up, and look inside, you guys. It's so cute. I have the finger in there. I also added some spiders, and I put some crepe paper of the green and the black inside. So that made for a cute packaging. Comment, you will be entered to win this. And then I shared in my last video, I shared these embellishments of the popcorn. So you will be entered to win the popcorn and the Boo Mix. So I'm going to come back on Monday and do a drawing of the winner. I just do random.org or the random comment picker. And yeah, so just be a subscriber, like the video. You can share if you like. Put in the comments, I love Beetlejuice and all the other, you know, make sure you meet all the other requirements. And I will come on and announce the winner on Monday, okay? And you will be entered to win these 2 items. Isn't that cute? I love it, you guys. I'm having so much fun with this, and I hope you guys are enjoying it. So let me share with you some other embellishments that I put together. Okay, you guys, I'm slowly adding. I'll just keep adding and adding and adding to my embellishment book. So here is one of the bows I put together. And I have this little Beetlejuice. This is actually like a little pin brooch in the center of this bow. And I thought it would be cute to add it to my embellishment book. I went ahead and started adding the embellishments inside. And look how cute it's looking. I did the Beetlejuice words. I created these words in Cricut Design Space. And then here is my popcorn. I also created some buttons. Let me add my little finger in here. Here's the finger I created for myself, so I'm going to add that down in there. So look how this is coming out, you guys. Is this not cute? I love it. And this embellishment book is used in one of Scrap Diva Designs dies, you guys, the embellishment book. Let me share with you some more things I put together. So I created some of these crepe paper rosettes in the green and the black. And so that's going to go down in here. Let me see if I can get it in here. So it's filling up. It's filling up. There we go here. Let's see if I can get both of them in there. It's chunky, but it's getting there. And then I'm going to put my finger there. So let me put this away and share the bows. All right, here are the bows I put together. So I have this one. This cute little embellishment was from a file I have of images. And I just made it smaller and just cut it out and put it on this bow here. I have a spider there in the center. And then here's one with the black and white stripe and the green. And then I have another one of those Beetlejuice little cutouts on the side. And then I have some smaller bows. The medium-sized bow I put on the embellishment book. So here are the fun size. I love the fun size. It is so cute, and it can go on your smaller projects. And then I put like a little purple gemstone in the center. So I think these turned out cute. What do you guys think? So that's all I've done so far. You guys know my story if you're a follower. I had surgery on my wrist, so I'm just like turtle crafting over here, okay? I'm turtle crafting right now. I have to do just a little bit at a time. I can't overdo it. I went for a doctor's appointment on Friday, and now I have to start occupational therapy on my hands to get more strength and to help with some of the numbness and swelling and tingling that I'm still experiencing. So that's why it's slow. That's why, you know, the series is going a little slower than usual. but I'm still having fun. So just let me know below if you are enjoying the series, and I will continue. Make sure you comment below the appropriate phrase and everything if you want to be entered for a chance to win. Let me share again. A chance to win these 2 items. And I will do a drawing on Monday and let you all know who the winner is, and I'll get your winnings out to you. But yeah, that's my time, you guys. Make sure you always create with love and passion,